Do you want to keep your man closer to you? Do these 4 things to make any man feel so valued in the relationship. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I remain your humble host, Pecunia Money. Now let's dive into today's video. 4 things you can do to make your man feel very valued, respected, and loved in your relationship. Number 1, praise his efforts. Even if it's the smallest of it all, praise him. For example, your man is coming back from work. You told him to help him to get something. Even if that thing he got for you is not what you want, just praise the fact that he was able to get that thing for you. Stop being too ungrateful. Also, if your man is about to go to work, you can as well praise him, telling him, baby, you look so good, you smell nice, you bought this perfume, this perfume smells so good. All those small things, it makes a man's ego grow wider, because he knows that if he comes to you, you always appreciate and praise any little thing he does or he do. Because of that, he'll always feel comfortable around you. But when a man tries to put effort and you are not showing that appreciation that he's needed in a relationship, before you know, his spirit, soul, and body will begin to leave that relationship to another woman. Number 2, respect his opinion. Even if you disagree, just respect his opinion. For example, your man told you, don't go out. You guys are supposed to have a dinner this evening, and you're telling him you want to hang out with your girls. When your man tell you don't go out, you don't agree with that decision, but just say okay. Respect him for that for at that moment. You can later call him and tell him, babe, now I have already fixed this appointment with my girls. Now let me just go. Then when a man is trying to tell you something, you're not even respecting him at that moment. You're just bringing up your own opinion, trying to be the lion in that relationship. The man will feel threatening. He'll feel you don't respect him. Even when he's saying something you do not appreciate, something that you disagree. In order for you guys not to be having banter, just say, okay, baby, no problem. Let him go. After some time, maybe at night when he's sleeping, you will know how you do your girly thing to convince him. Sometimes a man is not doing those things because he's doing it. He's just doing it for him to show that, yeah, I'm still the man. I'm still the man. Don't look me less. Or I'm still the man. All those things. Just for him to show his ego. And you shouldn't shrink that ego that he's trying to show. The only thing you need to do is to be manipulative. Yes. If you understand your man very well, you will not be having issues with him. It's because you feel you're a tiger and your man is feeling that he's a lion. So imagine lion and tiger living in the same house. It's war zone you guys are creating for each other, and it's not gonna work. That relationship is either gonna collapse, or one person will kill one person or another person will kill another person. But that is not what we are praying for. We are praying for what? Unity, love, and peace in your relationship. The third one here is support his goals. Be his number 1 fan. If your man is telling you, okay, baby, I want to start up this business, I want to do this, I want to do that, support him. Yes, support his goal, because if you are in his position, you would want him to support your own goal. So it should be an equal thing. If he's supporting your goal, you too support his own goal. If he says you want to start up an importation business, you want to start up a hair business, you want to go to China to import these goods, you want to go to Vietnam, you want to support him. Give him wise advice. Advise him. Even if the business he's trying to do is something you feel that will collapse, there is a way you can still talk to him about it. But don't impose your decision on him. Be his number 1 supporter. If he's a musician and his music is good, it's just that he has not gotten some support and all of that, support him in your own little way. You must not support him like every but at least let him see that his woman is supportive. His woman is supporting his career and his dream. And lastly, initiate affection sometimes. Initiate affection. Don't always want it to be the one to initiate intimacy between you guys, or initiate romance and all. Sometimes maybe if he comes back from work, just kiss him. Be the girl now. Be don't sabi do girly things again. I not be you again. Not the door hand now. now if he's come back from just collect his bag, hi baby, you're welcome. Sometimes if you're cooking in the kitchen, you can bring meat for him. Meet him inside the bedroom or the sitting room or wherever he is. Just give him that meat and kiss him. Then you wear your small petery something. Let him see that his girlfriend or his wife or his babe is fine. You don't give, if you have given him that meat and he choose, then you now shake your bum bum and go. That is simple affection, but you don't know that affection you just showed him. It's making him happy. It's making him to live long. It's making him to think straight. But when you are not affectionate, the man is thinking about work, he's thinking about his family members, he's thinking about this, he's still thinking about you. All those things are going to make him to go gaga. So please, just try as much as possible to initiate affection. Sometimes even if conji they worry you as a girl, talk. Meet your man, wanna do the thing. Not they wait make it come they touch you. And not they doing wait thing for your relationship. I mean, sorry. But still, please, just try as much as possible to understand your man so that you guys' relationship will be able to build better and stronger.